It has been a volatile trading week on Wall Street.
Yeah, let's check in with Jared Levy, Director of Investments at DBHW Wealth. He's a regular contributor to Business First AM, airing right before us at 4:30 in the morning. Jared, good morning. What's happening with the market? Is it still making some gains? I know it's kind of been a back and forth week.
Yeah, good morning, Elliot. It's one of those things, right? It's sort of a necessary evil, and the necessary evil is that volatility. When markets can't go straight up, and the reason is people need to discover price. They need to figure out, is this thing worth what it's worth? And right now, I would venture to say that, broadly speaking, stocks are definitely expensive. Now, can it keep going? Sure, and the reason why it can't keep going, and at least for the next 6 months to a year, is because interest rates are coming down. That makes such a big difference. But I would caution investors, stick to names and be careful about those riskier names that your friends might be talking about that you're unfamiliar with. I think this is definitely a market where you want to kind of play it safe, and again, in areas that you're familiar with.
Yes, but of course, there's always risk with Wall Street and trading on Wall Street.
Yes.
So talk about risk on and risk off. Can you explain those terms just a bit?
Yeah, Janice, it's funny. I remember, and this is no joke. I was getting some chicken at a restaurant the other night, and they're like, "Man, this market's risk on." The cashier's saying this to me, and I'm like, "Do you even know what this means?" I'm like, "Okay, great." Well, risk off, basically. Well, let's start with risk on. Risk on essentially is like lending money to a good businessman who's got mediocre credit, lots of debt, but he's got a hot business idea, right? So you're like, all right, that's risk on. Risk off would be like giving your money to your trustworthy parents to invest in, a business that's been existing. So when risk is on, Wall Street is pouring money into riskier companies that tend to have lots of debt. And again, remember we talked about interest earlier. If they have lots of debt, but interest rates are going down, their costs are going down. So that's why right now risk is on. And it's a time to be a little bit more cautious, again, if you're looking to just jump in right now. But that's the difference between the two.
Well, we've seen gold going higher and doing well. Does that kind of explain that trend right now? And what else is behind the rising gold right now?
Yeah, for sure. So this is funny. And this is a Wall Street, sort of oddball thing. When risk is on, okay, when it's getting really hot like it is now, investors use gold, and they use silver, if you will, mostly gold, to hedge or protect. And as our country, we're shut down right now as a nation, and we're shut down because our debt is soaring. So people turn to gold as a safe haven. Gold, remember, is theoretically, it's a currency that you could trade anywhere in the world. So gold continues to go higher. That's been the reason is both, again, the high risk that's out there, or soaring debt. And again, some of the conflict we're seeing around the world, folks are moving to gold as a place to sort of say, okay, this is a safe place that I could put a portion of my investment.
Should we consider silver or just put our money with gold?
That's a great question. Very different things. So silver is a commodity. It is, you could walk around a silver bar and probably give it to somebody and they would think of it as value. But here's something to consider. Gold is up 60% over the last year. Gold is the gold standard, if you will, for universal currency. Silver is up 60% over the last 6 months. It's at levels it's never seen before. So I would be more careful with silver. It tends to be more of an industrial metal. And if you're really looking for safe haven, again, gold, and you don't need much of it to be worth a lot. It's a lot easier to carry and transact with. So gold would be my pick.
All right, going for gold this morning. We appreciate you, Jared Levy with Business First AM. Thanks for your updates.